Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can log out of your Tinder account in a Tinder application. So you have a Tinder application downloaded and installed in your mobile device. You have an account logged into that application and you want to log out of that application for some reason. You want to log out of that account for some reason, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to log out of your Tinder account in a Tinder application in a very easy way. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to log out of a Tinder application or a Tinder account is open the Tinder application installed in a mobile device. Once you open the Tinder application in a mobile device, you'll land on an interface like this. Now here on the top left corner, you'll see your account icon or a profile icon. Tap on that icon. And once you tap on that icon, you land on a profile section. Now what you need to do in order to log out of your Tinder account is go to your settings. Once you go to your settings, what you need to do is scroll down all the way. Then here you'll see an option labeled as logout or logout button. So to log out of your Tinder account, what you need to do is simply tap on that button. Then a pop-up warning like this will open. Here you need to confirm your decision. So what you need to do in order to confirm is tap on the logout option again. Once you do that, you'll successfully log out of your Tinder application in very easy way. So those are the simple steps in order to log out of your Tinder application. So those are the simple steps in order to log out of your Tinder account in a Tinder application. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.